Hello all. Several of you have indicated that you're having a little bit of problem finding the assignment for this week, so I wanted to take you through really quick. Here is a student view of Connect, my faculty profile. Here is the book for you, some orientation videos. In order to find the assignment for this week or what you need to do, you want to scroll down here. You'll see Quest Gabi 9 months home. So this is the assignment related to infant development. So click here and you'll see begin. This is going to launch Quest and it's going to launch the assignment. Okay, so here you have Gabi. It's a little dark. I think the computer, I'm not connected right now. I'm using Wi-Fi. But you see here you've got Gabi home. It's got a little bit of a description here of Gabriella and her home life to read through. Link back to Connect. Here you go. You want to begin Quest, so click on this. And this kind of shows you about the meters for her various emotional, cognitive, and social development. Alright, here we have the game. What you're going to want to do once this loads is kind of navigate. So again, you're acting as baby Gabi. You're going to be kind of going around the screen, engaging in different things. And as it loads, again, here we are. Here's kind of a little bit about Gabi. You'll see quest objectives here. And this lays out what you want to do. This is always going to be up in the corner too, so you don't have to write this down. But this is what you're going to do within the game, or again, acting as Gabi. So again, all right. So you are playing as baby Gabriella. So in order to make her move, just click on something. Here she's going to go by the blocks here. And now you have objective investigation. This is an infant, so a lot of the things here on the floor are going to ask you, is this something that you want her to put in her mouth? At least some point say yes, just so you can see okay, she got a Cheerio. It's really interesting the things that she can get in her mouth, and you'll see that as you play. So once you do something, you want to hit the continue button to keep going through. So Mama's not crazy about Gabi eating off the floor. Okay. So one of the things that you'll see is you can always go over here to the checkbox. It'll tell you what you have done and what you haven't done. So I'm going to show you how to do the first quest here, the first task, which is to play with Grandpa. So walk over here. She's a little bit clunky. She's an infant. And here's Grandpa. You can tell the ones to interact with. They flash green, and you can see the little dots here. That means there's conversation. Click the arrow. All right. And yes. So again, you have a choice in what you want to do. Do you want her to play with a toy, to look at a book, or to just leave? In order to complete the tasks, you're going to want to do what it's telling you. So here we're going to play with Grandpa. She has found a car. This should look familiar based on your lecture here with object permanence. Hit continue. All right. So, if you think Gabriella has mastered object permanence, you're going to say as such. Continue. Now watch what happens. You played with Grandpa and demonstrated object permanence, which is a central cognitive task. And note, you can see the bar has increased on cognitive development, and it takes you a little bit into Piaget. And we're going to say nah, she's kind of bored. And sure, she will. So just explore quest. She can go around, interact with the things that are green here. And she can interact with their aunt. So this just gives you an idea. A couple things to make note of as you're exploring quest. Keep going back here to see things where things are at. And you do not have to complete everything in one sitting. Your information will be lost, so keep a note of what you have and haven't completed so that you know what to focus on. All right, I hope this helps, and take care.